Hello everybody, how you doing today? We've got another beer car to clean up and upgrade, put some new metal wheels on it, make sure the couplers are all working well, and put it on the track with the rest of the beer train and run it. So let's get to it. Alright, cleaned it up a little bit. Let's get some of these plastic wheels off of here, and we'll install some metal ones, and it'll run much better. Alright, we got a couple installed, and boy, they just spin and spin and spin real easy. Alright, next two are installed, and they just spin effortlessly. Cleaned it up. We should go put it on the track with the rest of the beer train and see how it goes. Alright, so here's the beer train. Old 70s style cars. And here's the one we just cleaned up. So let's put it on there and get it running. Alright, so here it's hooked up by itself with a Great Northern locomotive and caboose. Oh, is it on? Doesn't sound like it's on track. Oops. It made it around. Well, there we go. Turns out I did not have it on the track completely, but yet it did not derail, so once I got it back on the track, you can see it's even more on the flawless side. So let's put it with the rest of the set. Now we got them all on there. I didn't notice I had the Coors car setting to the side. I did an adjustment and forgot to put the Coors car back on. But they're all on there now. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. I know I enjoy it. One more car to my cool little beer train. Have a good one, everybody.